Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In today's video, I want to talk to you about and explain the gray bar on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen. When you log into QuickBooks Online, you have a gray bar or a gray menu on the left-hand side of your screen. To collapse the gray menu, you'll click on the three lines just above your business logo. To expand the gray bar, you'll click on the three lines again. At the top of the gray bar, you have a handful of options. The first option is the Plus New button. When I click on Plus New, it takes me to a variety of actions I can perform within my QuickBooks. I like to think of this as the I want to do something button. These are the actions that I can perform for my customers, the actions I can perform for my vendors, also known as companies and people I buy stuff from, my employees, as well as other miscellaneous actions. When you look at this menu and you see a little upward arrow, that just tells you that it's a service that's available if you were to subscribe and pay more money to receive it. I don't have QuickBooks Online Payroll, therefore Payroll, it has a little tiny up arrow. For you, you might see an up arrow next to stuff like bills or maybe purchase orders. If you do, you just click on it. It tells you what version of QuickBooks you need to purchase to subscribe to that. Let me close that. I'm not going to explain everything that you see. I'm going to explain the things that I think you're most likely to need. So going down to the dashboard, when you select the dashboard, pop-out menu appears to the right. You have two options. You have Get Things Done and you have Business Overview. This is Business Overview with the graphs. Get Things Done is the diagram with the icons and the arrows. Banking. Banking is going to take you to this screen with the boxes. All the menus across the top are the same as the menus you see in the pop-out. If you click on Sales, Sales is going to take you to the things pertaining to your sales and your customers. All the menus across the top are the same as you see in the pop-out menu. There's a theme here. I'm going to skip over cash flow and go down to expenses. Expenses, I find a real easy and convenient way to navigate my expenses is to go to vendors and then select the vendor I have in mind that I want to look into. I find that clicking on expenses itself with this big long list, it's confusing and cluttered, so I never do it. Projects we'll skip over and cover in a different lesson. Payroll I'm going to skip entirely and forever. QuickBooks Time we'll skip. And then we'll go down to reports. If you're not already spending time in reports, I definitely encourage you to do it. Just come in here and click around and see what's available to you. Taxes, it's only going to be sales tax and 1099 filings. You're not going to find your federal taxes. Mileage is if you want to track mileage within QuickBooks. Personally, I don't. One, I don't drive for business, and two, if I did, I'd more likely use an app such as Miles IQ. Accounting is going to give you your chart of accounts and your reconcile screen. My Accountant will give you a link to connect with your accountant. Commerce, I'm going to skip. Apps is the App Store. If you're not familiar with the App Store, if you want to go there without logging into QuickBooks, all you have to do is just go to apps.com. When you go to apps.com, it's going to take you to a list of applications that you can integrate with your QuickBooks Online. I'll cover more of those in a different lesson. My purpose in creating this video is just to give you a rundown on what you see in the left-hand navigation bar and let you know that the stuff you see here, it's likely accessible in a second place. You're more than welcome to go wherever is most comfortable for you to perform the tasks you have in mind. I'll give you one example of invoices. If I want to create an invoice, I can go to Plus New, Customers Invoice. I can go to Dashboard and then create invoices. I can go to Sales and then Invoice. Whatever's most comfortable for you is the right answer for how to navigate your QuickBooks. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, if there's any suggestions for videos you'd like to see, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.